We have fresh snow this morning. Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, 7 a.m.-ish, and I'm making some coffee. The first drips of life. Okay, dinner. Today we are having a Mexican dish, and that is it. Just a Mexican dish. No soup, nothing else. I hope it stays that way. Around here I can make my meal and everything, but the time it comes to putting it on the table, there's 5 different foods added to the table that I didn't approve of. But today, I'm gonna approve of it. A Mexican dish. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is my tenderloin. I'm having it. When am I having it? Wednesday supper. So we're going to start preparing it like now, because that's what you do around here. What in the blue blazes? I've never seen the legs, ever, ever, ever. You know what? If this wouldn't have happened in my cook week, I would have said, why is this happening? It's like a cool color. I didn't know black beans could make a color. It's honestly so cool. I think we just made a breakthrough discovery. We call this the bean color. Anybody send me your white t-shirts and I'll tie-dye them with my mistakes. You need to get this in your life. It's awesome. Okay, this is all mush now. Hi. I should technically add a lime, but I'm only going to do the lime juice because I'm lazy. I put in a dash of salt, and I put in pepper as well. Successfully make it black amole. So funny story, I'm actually leaving after dinner, so I won't be here for supper. The teachers are going out for a special supper, and since I have been a teacher for the past month, I get to go along. So I actually won't be here, but I have everything figured out. For supper, there's a sheep roast, maple soy roasted vegetables, and mashed potatoes. These are refried beans.
Have you tasted them?
No. Okay, I hope I am. As you can see, I love my vegetables, but I love olives. This is dinner. Hi, this is how you eat food. And this is all that remains. It is good. Well, everyone left. I should be chilling. But as the head cook of this week, I keep working. Okay, I'm Audi, and as of right now, I have nothing to do with anything that happens in this kitchen. I am not liable, I'm not responsible. Janelle's gonna be vlogging, so I'm also not responsible for any of the footage from here on out. So hopefully she has learned a little bit of the art of vlogging and does a somewhat okay job. So bye for today, I guess.
My name is Janelle Walter, and today I will be vlogging for Adina. I'm Adina's sister. For those of you who didn't see the resemblance, it's not the hair, it's not the eyes, it's not the nose, it's not the mouth. We didn't even look alike. I'm adopted. That's not the point. The point is I'll be taking over Adina's vlog today. Don't mind me.
So tell us a little bit about yourself.
Tell you a little bit about myself. I am 16. I do not have a cook week yet. I have a cook week in exactly 7 months.
So you actually had no idea how to cook?
I had no idea how to fill gas till this morning, but now I do.
I'm supposed to trust you with my cook week, my pride and joy.
You like cooking?
No.
I don't have any cool sunglasses, so I had to get my mom's reading glasses. Anyway, I'm Adina Walter. Clearly I'm not Adina, so I'm Adina's sister. So I'm like Adina, except not as crazy. I mean, I have to get the fact that I have to look in here and not there. I'll get that. But it's so weird looking at this, you know? Imagine talking to this. Imagine. So hard. So Adina has decided to run from her responsibilities and go to town. So I will be cooking for her. And I do not have a cook week yet, so this should be interesting. Bear with me. The first thing I do when I come to the kitchen to work is I get myself a jar and I fill it up with hot water and chia seeds. Then let it sit till the chia seeds turn. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness. I don't want to hurt Adina's baby. And then I fill it up with water. This is going to be the shakiest vlog you have ever seen. It's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon and we haven't started doing anything. So I'm going to start by seasoning chickens things. I'm not sure if it's just me, but I think I see Adina behind me. What in the world she's doing behind me? She's supposed to be in Lloyd, but... Okay, so I'm taking this nice thingamajigger here and placing it into this sauce like this, and then placing it above these things. So we're going to repeat this process till all of these are done. We're done with the chickens. Now we have to move on. To ensure that my grandmother stays happy, I am making her a pot of coffee. My bad. I'm a little inexperienced in this area. Next, we will be adding milk, stock, because first of all, you have to put it down to 1. Thank you for telling me this. Okay, now that we have acquired some knowledge, I'm going to add the milk slowly. Oh joy. Okay, we just finished with the mashed potatoes, the gravy. What is this? Is it a lamb? Is it a fish?
Okay.
A lamb? Why would you slaughter a lamb? Lambs haven't lived out their life. That is so rude. Please somebody confirm that you are roasting sheep and not lamb. Roasting sheep? Thank you. I wasn't aware of this, but apparently first cooks also do the dishwasher. I think they're just telling me this because I'm new and I can't argue with the rules. But let's go into the dishwasher. My hair has been parted like the Red Sea, but that's okay. Let's go look at my stumpas. It was my first time making it. It is the best anybody will ever have. Look how smooth and soft and creamy. Wow. People are coming to eat my food, which I made. And people are coming and people. So let's go check out what my food is. We have this orange stuff, crushed cheesies, you know? This stuff, vegetables, dairy-free mashed potatoes, gravy, non-dairy-free, corn, and lamb, which is actually sheep, because we don't believe in killing little lambs. If it wouldn't be for my painfully annoying shoes and my broken back, I think I wouldn't be as tired, but I am tired. So we didn't do a lot of things today, but the things that we did do were tiring. He's so heavy. Adina, your baby is heavy. Anyway, ik ga hem sloven. I'm going home and taking a nap before singing. Goodbye.
This is what our choir practice looks like. Ooh, chaotic. Girls, run along now. Go, go, go. Run along.
See